We're at a trail in Carding Valley called Haddon Hill. And I'm with Jace.
Hello. I'm part of the adventure today in this video.
Right, I'll show you the trail. Look at that lovely stream. Do you want to go for a swim, Jace?
I'll go for swimming next time. It's a bit too cold for now.
I'll give you a tenner to go in.
You'll give me a tenner?
Yeah.
An actual tenner?
On the way back, yeah.
On the way back?
Yeah.
Oh, deal.
Really?
I will actually do it for
actually,
a tenner.
there's a waterfall. Yeah, there's a waterfall. So you could go for a dip on the way back.
Yeah, okay.
For
I'll
a
go
tenner.
for a dip. A tenner is a tenner at the end.
This could be fun. Let's do this. Right, up we go. Look, they're going on the easier walk. Look.
Well, we climbed up Snowdonia before. I'm sure we can handle this.
Yes.
We've done it twice.
Very true. Okay, we're already climbing quite high.
I will go dipping in that river for 10 quid.
Will you?
I will actually do it, yeah.
In a waterfall for 10 quid?
10 quid is 10 quid to me. What?
You go ahead, you be the example.
No. Never in a million years.
We're not going to see nothing at the tops. Look at the fog.
Ooh. Yeah, you wanted to come here though.
Look at the fog in the mountains.
Yeah.
Wow, that is the way up, isn't it?
Look at the tree. Yeah, look at that little
Where?
look at the little lake area over there. Looks nice.
I know. I think that's the way we go on the way back.
No, it's down there.
Is it? Right. This way or that way?
This way looks easier.
Have you noticed it's going darker?
What? Yeah, I have actually.
They'll probably chuck it down soon. Oh. I need a tow rope. Look at him going up there like a mountain goat. So we've come from that way. Just taking a breath. And there's a house over there. This is very, very steep.
It's quite high up
Is
here.
it?
Oh wow, you can feel the cold up here. It's getting colder and colder.
I'm trying to get up.
Oh wow, it's very cold up here as soon as you get over this area.
Whew. Right. Yeah, the wind's picking up. Let me just take a minute. Whoa! That's steep, isn't it, already?
I know.
We haven't even touched the sides yet. Right, look at that fog.
I didn't expect it to be this steep, to be honest.
Yeah, it's pretty freezing fog there.
I thought we were going to be going on the easy walk.
This is easy.
Oh my. Well, let's keep going then.
Right, okay.
Good job of what Luke said.
You're doing a good job there, Jace.
Yep.
He's faster than me. We're lost. Wait for me.
Well, even if we're on the wrong one,
Yeah.
it still goes around and it's still a walk.
I think it's that way or that way.
It doesn't matter if we're on this one now, it's too late.
It is too late. We've come from that direction and we might be heading up there. What's it? Is it Chinese green tea?
No, it's Japanese.
Japanese green tea.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. Let's have a taste. Actually, it's quite fruity, isn't it? Yeah, it's nice.
Different flavours. Well, it's giving me a bit of energy, that.
Jason going off in the distance.
1, 2.
He's so fast. Hey, it's nice, that tea. Get me some next time you go. Right, so I'll just show you the visibility. Look at that. You alright, Jace?
Yeah.
You enjoying it? Yeah? Wow, you can't see anything. And it's getting quite muddy as well.
You know what we didn't take?
What?
The ice things.
I've got mine.
Have you? I didn't take mine.
You didn't put your ice spikes in?
I forgot.
Okay. So you're sliding all over the place and I'm not?
We're making quite fast progress. My bloody ears are absolute freezing.
You alright, Jace?
Yeah.
Leave your hat on. You can leave your hat on.
Yeah.
Nowhere near the peak yet.
Yeah.
Right. I think we've got a glimpse of sun trying to come through the cloud. There's my new friends. Isn't it, Jace?
I'm not looking forward to going down.
Are you not?
No, I find that like the worst.
Well,
Like more dangerous.
it can be. You remember Snowdonia where your boot came off
Oh yeah.
and it went down the mountain so far and I had to go and get it.
Yeah.
Ooh, glimpse of brightness.
Not there yet. I think this might be it. I don't know.
Nearly to the top.
Yeah. I think this is like the highest bit now.
Do you think?
Yeah, I think we're here. This is it. Wow, the cup. This is it. That's the final part.
It's
That's
the final countdown.
It's the final climb. And then we get to go down. Oh,
Yeah. Oh, it's
what a
cold.
lovely exercise this is. All the calories we're burning.
I know. I should be thin after this.
Oh, I don't know about that. Once we get home,
Oh,
have
look
a
at
nice,
the mud.
have some nice
Oh.
food, get all those calories back in just a second.
I'm not sure I want to eat sandwiches at the top.
No, I'm not really hungry to be honest.
You brought all those snacks though. And your
Yeah,
backpack's
I
quite
love-
heavy
I
with
love
snacks.
Japanese food.
Yeah, let's have a taste. Imagine the view up here now.
Yeah, but this gives us like a fog video. We want to have a fog video.
Now that, look at that. I bet the drop down there is,
Let's have a look.
yeah. Let's have a look.
We can't see too much, but should be able to get something on the camera.
You can't see nothing.
No, you can't see much. Not much.
Yeah.
But that's kind of like that.
What a shame.
Yeah.
What a shame you can't see. Wow,
You can
the
see
sun's
everything
out
now.
and we've just reached the top.
I see everything.
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah, this area is quite nice, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
Oh wow.
What's that?
I know, look at the size of those, damn.
It is. I wasn't sure if it was like a patch of fog.
Let's walk over to it.
It's just where the rainwater's collected. I bet it's got teeming with little insects and stuff. How about that could be a swimming pond?
Up here?
Yeah.
For 10 quid? Oh my god.
Mind you, it's a long way down, isn't it, to be wet?
True. Could be a lot of stuff in there.
That looks amazing, doesn't it, to be fair? That's the clearest we've seen it. So we're just leaving the horses. So nice. The sun's covered with the fog now. Oh, it's amazing how cold it goes when that fog comes back.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, so we're heading back down. It doesn't feel like it because it's still going up. Oh, the ponies were nice, weren't they?
Mm.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You sure it's this way? It's easy to get lost up here, especially with the fog.
Yeah.
Because you can't literally see where you're going. That's the back of us. And yeah, still the right way. Yeah, what would you do without a map? I know. That was, do you know what? That was the best clearing that we had when we got to the top.
Yeah.
I mean, that was amazing, that, wasn't it?
Yeah. Hey.
Very slippy. So we've just come from that direction and we're kind of following this mountain stream, and we've got a civilised bit of path. And I think it's because of all the bogginess. But it ends here. Jace has got the best idea. Up and round. Yeah, you can just hear the mountain stream following us down. Jason's stuck in the mud. It's gorgeous, look at that mountain stream. So we're just following the valley round, literally in between it. gorgeous, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
So nice, look at that. It goes down there. Does it look okay? Can you see a way forward?
Yeah, this way.
Right, okay.
Too dangerous down there.
Yeah, that is, look at that.
Just pretend it's ice. Just be careful. Treat it like it's ice.
Right, okay. Yeah, don't you fall. Yeah. So coming down this rock face. Oop, there's a bird in the sky.
Come on.
You're doing good.
Yeah. Careful here. It's a bit of a, like,
Yeah.
this rock's a bit tricky, this one. It's that one, watch out for that one.
That one there.
Yeah, it's a bit tricky, that
I'll
one.
just hold here.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Good. There's not much cover here, so you're going to try and keep your balance on these ones.
Woo! So we just come down that way. Yeah. And you got all this water running down. Jason's nearly to the bottom. Oh. Ooh. I know.
Don't think we need a hat there.
Look at that! Beautiful!
Snap some off. Snap. Is that it?
Thank you. So we just came from up there, that very steep climb, and you've got the gorgeous waterfalls at the back there, and we're heading off back down that way in a minute. Yeah, it does look a bit suspicious, that on my shoe, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Very suspicious. It's definitely a different funky colour to the mud. Woo! Gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that. I'm just making a deal with Jason to cure his water wimpishness, if that's the word. So Jason has kindly offered to go in the water. Haven't you, Jace?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm gonna do it. Don't mention the money though.
I already did. Ugh. This is it's right there on your bum! It's like a slide!
Come on, you doing it?
I got to hold on to the scrubby brush. Pull! It's not ideal relying on the scrubby brush. So that's the we're going up there. Yeah, it's not ideal. Holding on to a bush, oh, say falling. Oh.
Hello,
You're
man.
loving this. The colours look amazing, don't they, in the winter?
Do they?
Yeah.
Why, what colours is there?
Browns, greens,
Looks browns, greens. Looks
Yeah.
just dull to me.
different shades of greens. Shut up, Jace. Yeah, look at that, it's beautiful. And that's where we've come from, that way.
I'd imagine an avalanche just crashing
That's
down
probably
there.
where we first started going up over there, isn't it? Yeah,
Yeah, I think
it
so.
is, because we could see a little bit of a,
Yeah, I think it is.
like a valley below, couldn't we?
Yeah.
I can't believe it's cleared now.
I know.
It's typical, isn't it?
Yeah, well, we couldn't have set off at the time though.
And we had to be in the fog.
Yeah. Just to think we climbed multiple mountains in just like 3 hours. It's crazy.
I know.
With just our bare feet.
With our bare feet? I don't think so. Do you see some of those packs up there?
It's word of expression.
Oh right, okay. I was going to say, I wouldn't do it in my bare feet with all those big packs around. Lovely sloshy packs. Whoa!
That view, eh? Such a nice view, that.
Stop! Right, let's get a lovely picture. It's beautiful, isn't it?
I know, yeah.
Sod off.
Oh, let's have a look what she's doing. Oh. This is all going to be cut out probably.
It's quite a good pathway though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is actually. These shoes are good as well.
Yeah.
I think anything.
Yeah. So we're both wearing Merrill boots.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh. Oh, look at that.
Here's the wind.
Wow. Look at that view.
I'm not looking forward to this cold bit than that water. But it's quite a turn it down.
That's beautiful, that is.
Put it to the green.
Jason's fretting over getting in the water. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't it, Jason?
Yeah.
We're going back down there now so Jason can go in that water.
Yep.
I'm going
to be freezing.
Are you ready to go in it?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to get hypothermia.
Jason's going first down there.
My hands are cold.
Right, here he goes, going for it. Be careful. Yeah, you get this. Gotta get the funny bits in, haven't you? Shit. Okay. Bug off.
Oh.
Oh, wow, these rocks.
You know what I would do?
What? Oh,
Jump off a cliff for a thumbnail.
really?
Yeah. I literally just jump off a cliff just to get a thumbnail, I would. I'll probably break a couple of legs though, but it's worth it, isn't it?
No,
Yeah, it is.
of course it's not.
Yeah. This is the proper experience.
The proper mountaineering.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's slippy.
I know.
That's the problem, it's really slippy.
Yes, I'm in the sea ferry now. Woohoo!
What's that?
I'm in the sea ferry now.
You
Come on,
don't?
hurry up, man.
Oi!
Hurry up!
Never mind, hurry up.
Hurry up!
Oh gosh, look at that.
Come on, moosh!
Wait, I'm stuck.
Moosh.
Hold that.
Hurry up!
So we've got back down and I'm going to find a place for Jason to go and have a dunk.
Let's do this.
There's a cabin there, look. That's good, isn't it? Oh, I think it's a bird watch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's cool. Wildlife watch.
Yeah. Let's do this. It's not going to be, I don't think it'll be that cold, to be honest.
Yeah, just shove that in. So tell everybody what you're doing.
Well, I'm just going to go for a little dip in the water, like submerge myself. I'm thinking of like putting my whole head in it, maybe, I don't know.
I wouldn't do that. Go on then, Chase.
Alright, I'm going to go in. I'm not even in the water, my feet are freezing.
Oh no.
That is cold. Okay. Okay. Oh god. Okay, it's muddy.
Yes, I said that.
Oh. Oh. One more time. One more time.
side.
That's enough. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yeah.
Good deal. Subscribe. You better subscribe now.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Give it a like and a subscribe. And hope you enjoyed this adventure out in the hills. Now the fog's cleared. Now it's time to go home, isn't it?
Time to go home and get a shower.
Crazy. And we've really enjoyed it. It was an amazing walk, wasn't it? Especially the top with the horses.
Yeah, it was actually.
Yeah, the ponies.
I didn't expect to see some horses up there.
Yeah. Yeah, so we've had a really amazing time. Oh! This is where we get the boots clean. Yeah. Now I've got wet. Backpacks in the car.
Oh, such a tiny stone.
You've just killed a frog.
There's no frogs in there.
Do you feel terrible?
No. Wow, look at that pile of shit there.
So beautiful. Oh, I wish it one here.
What? Hang on a minute. We're supposed to be up there.
What? Look at the drop if you fall. Oh, oh, come on, jump. Oh my God, how'd you get down?
For fuck's sake.
How'd you get down there?
What is that?
Come on.
What?